Welcome back to this video. If you are not getting more views, more subscribers on your YouTube channel, consider to watch this video beginning to the end and see important settings you need to turn off right now in order to attract more views, more subscribers to your YouTube channel. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you can do this setting with just your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. So for every Android phone user, make sure you go to your Play Store. On getting to your Play Store, make sure you click on search right here. So if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store, and then from your App Store, for every iPhone user, come to your search apps and games, just like what Android user need to do also. Then you search for YouTube Studio and hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Now, as at the time of making this video, 100 million plus creators are using this app. This app here is basically for content creator on YouTube because it allows you to modify, editing, or delete some things in your channel. It's that simple. What you need to do is to make sure you download and install this app on your phone. Whether you are using Android phone, download and install it, or iPhone, download and install it. After you have successfully downloaded and install it, exit from your Play Store or your App Store, then you head over to your phone. You are going to have the app icon right here. So what you need to do is to click on the app, then allow it to load up. So if you are the first time using the app, you will be asked to log in with your YouTube username and your password. Once you enter your YouTube username and your password, it takes you to your YouTube channel studio, just like what you see right here. Now here you see your channel name and your number of subscribers you have at the time of having access to the app, and at the same time channel analytics and some dashboard right here. Now what we want to do here as far as the setting that can enable us to get more view and more subscribers is concerned here is that YouTube introduced a new features that allow you to certify whether your video is made with complete AI or originality content. You need to certify this because if you do not certify this, YouTube will not be able to recommend your video more as an original content to the prospective and potential viewers. So the setting, what you need to do as far as the setting is concerned. So I'm going to use a video right here. Go to content. So under the content here, you have different categories as far as the content section is being divided into three, like long video, short, and live. So here, you need to make sure that you set this setting to every video you have, provided that your video is not AI generated content. So this will make YouTube recommend your video more to original human beings that are searching for that type of topic. And for you to do that, I'm going to click on view all right here, select a particular video as an example. So right here, I'm going to make use of this particular video right here. Now click on this video. Now here, what we want to do here is to make sure we click on this pencil icon. This is applicable to everyone that have already uploaded their video. But if you have not uploaded your video yet, you can still do the settings. So when you get here, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here where you see authored content right here. This is a new feature that is introduced by YouTube because of everywhere now is about AI. Now they need to segregate between original content and AI content. So if you are an original content creator, you create everything based on your idea, you shoot everything based on your idea, there is none of AI content from your video, it is always advisable to select no right here. But quite a lot number of people does not know. So they always put their video in yes. And if you put your video in yes, your content is going to be regarded as trash AI content. And as a result of that, the new viewer that wants to watch original content will not have access to your video. And with that, you have been denied from so many views, you have been denied from so many subscribers because you failed to certify and tell YouTube that your content was not made with AI. So if you know that your content is not made with AI and you want to get more original subscriber, more viewers from your YouTube video to your YouTube channel, make sure you always put your content in no right here. So each time you want to upload your subsequent video, make sure you certify that your content is not altered or created with AI tools. And with that, you get more recommendations, more views from original viewers, and more legit and real subscriber coming to your channel. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to succeed on YouTube, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about YouTube topic like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.